In this video we're taking a close look at the First Progress Secured Credit Card, a popular option for those rebuilding or starting their credit journey. This card is backed by a refundable security deposit, usually between $200 and $2,000, which also serves as your credit limit. It reports to all three major U.S. credit bureaus, helping users establish or improve their credit score with consistent on-time payments. One big plus is that First Progress doesn't require a minimum credit score or a long credit history, making it accessible to almost anyone. The APR is relatively low compared to some other secured cards, and you can choose between three versions: Prestige, Select, and Elite, based on your budget and needs. However, there are some notable downsides. Each card comes with an annual fee ranging from $29 to $49, and customer service reviews are mixed. Some users report delays in receiving their cards or getting deposits refunded after account closure. Others mention unclear charges and slow responses from support. Overall, the First Progress credit card can be a solid tool for building credit if you use it responsibly and pay on time. But if you want fewer fees and smoother support, alternatives like Discover or Capital One secured cards may be better. Build smart, spend wisely, and always keep your credit goals in focus.